show you how to make a pancake. Let's get started. To make our pancake, we need half glass of milk, a bowl of flour, a bowl of sugar, 1 egg, vanilla and baking powder. First, we take our egg and crack it. After that, we take our sugar and pour it into our bowl. Then we mix it until it's pale yellow. Now we will add half glass of milk. Now we will add and mix at the same time. We will add 1 glass of flour. Now we will add and mix at the same time. And we will mix well. Now we will add baking powder and vanilla. You can add the vanilla to the baking powder and then you can mix. Now we will mix it. Now we will mix it. Mix it very well and our batter will be done. Now our batter is done. Now we can go
Can you
to the
show
cooking part.
consistency? Like what should be the consistency?
It should be like this.
Okay.
Not so thin.
Okay. Running consistency?
Yes.
Perfect. Now what?
Now we will go to the cooking part with the gas. Ask an adult to turn on the gas. When your pancake is like this, it means that it's time to flip it. Carefully take the pancake onto your spatula and carefully flip it. Now wait for 30 or 40 seconds and it will be ready. Now we'll make another one.
बहुत थोड़ा.
Now again we will wait it until it bubbles up.
You're playing around with the batter?
Yes. Here are how my pancakes look. If you like them, please like, share and subscribe to the Shlok's Fun channel and comment me your pancake making recipes or tips.